Hey Mega Fam, welcome back to our channel. As usual, we want to thank you for supporting, for sharing, for subscribing, and helping our channel grow. We really appreciate you guys. We have another exciting video for you guys today. We're taking you along with us to experience one of Zimbabwe's most loved street foods, Gango. If you're the type that's into exploring new foods, this video is definitely for you, so stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please click the button and do so now. So there are tons of places to eat out in Zimbabwe, from 5-star restaurants to outdoor diners to street food. We've eaten at all sorts of restaurants and tried foods from different cultures without getting on a plane. Kenyan food, Chinese food, Indian food, Nigerian food, Italian food, and recently, even Jamaican food. Before we get to the actual street food, let's stop by one of Zimbabwe's popular monthly food markets. Here we found a Jamaican stall with authentic Jamaican food. I was so excited to finally have access to real authentic Jamaican food while I'm here in Zimbabwe. When I first moved to Zimbabwe, there were no Jamaican restaurants around, and I thought, this is obviously an opportunity to maybe open my own restaurant someday. It's still on the books. But anyway, I'm excited right now. We have Jamaicans coming in, opening restaurants, and I can access food while I'm here in Zimbabwe. I can have a taste of home without having to cook, and that's awesome. Right, hi Tomo.
What's good?
I'm good.
What's good?
So what you guys are make?
Rice and peas out of Jamaica.
You know a girl over there so just ask why we call beans peas? Why we call
We know beans as something different.
We'll catch up with the Jamaica Reggae Flavors group in another video. For now, let's head on over to Gango. So for the Jamaicans and other nationalities watching, here in Zimbabwe we do have fast food restaurants like KFC and local ones like Chicken Inn and Chicken Slice. Fast food is something we pretty much all know about, but Gango isn't, so that's why we thought to take you to see this local street food instead.
So we're at Home Ground. This is a famous Gango place. Gango is a mixture of meat. It's a Zimbabwean favorite. So I'm here for Debs to try it out. I hope she likes it. Yeah, so let's go in and try some Gango. So this is what us Zimbabweans call Gango. It's a fusion of different varieties of meat, mainly beef, chicken, livers, you name it. As long as it's meat, it can be added to make this tasty stew. The cool thing about Gango joints is that there are always butcheries close by or attached to them. So you'll just get your fresh meat and then deliver it straight to the guys preparing it, and they'll do the magic for you.
Meet our chef for today. She's decided to whip us up something nice. Okay. The meat meat is fried in a pan over high flames and stirred at intervals until golden brown and cooked through. While still succulent, tomatoes and onions are chopped and added to the mix. In the final step of this mixture, local veggies called rape are finely chopped and added. As a Jamaican who's used to food with lots of spices and flavor, I found it interesting that no artificial seasonings were added. The flavor is strictly from the juices flowing from the meat, and guys, it was tasty. Okay, so how do you guys prepare this?
So it takes 10 minutes. So I don't put spices in it, but
Okay.
I only make it as it is.
So it's, you know the way we like our meat is all natural meat. So we just let the natural flavors fuse together, and that's the joy of Gango.
I had missed Gango. I'm now based in Botswana. So I had missed this Gango where we mix different meats from chicken, livers, pork, beef, all the meats you can think of. We just mix them once and fry it. Then we add some vegetables in there and eat together with Senza. Senza, that's thick porridge. So we are enjoying here in Zimbabwe, in Harare. It's our delicacy here. Yeah.
And guys, while waiting for our food, something cool happened. We met a new subscriber.
So you've been watching our videos?
I've been watching. I think I've watched
Let me change sides.
we went to for was it the funeral one? Yeah. Yes. The one where you guys yeah. But I'm about to subscribe. What's your name? Good guy. Yeah.
Thanks for watching, Kudzai. Thank you. How awesome was that, running into a subscriber in person? We had a great chat while we waited for our food to be ready. We're still waiting. They're preparing the Senza. I know you guys saw Senza in the last video. And as you watch this channel, you're probably gonna see Senza over and over again because it is a staple food in Zimbabwe. So get used to it. Our food's about done. There's an option here for getting your food as takeaway. So they'll pack it in these plastic boxes and you can take the food home. Or you have the option of dining in with your gang. I guess maybe that's why it's called Gango, I don't know. And you get it on a big platter like this for you to share as one meal with your friends or family.
Right? Thanks.
Bon appetit! Now come on guys, if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and help us on the road to 10K subscribers. Now let's eat. My favorite part is the chicken hearts. I like chicken hearts. I'm gonna scan the whole food for chicken hearts. I've had to adapt to this. Now I can bet serious dollars that there's some Jamaicans watching and thinking, why is she eating with her hands? Yes, eating stews and Senza with my hands is something I've had to adapt to, as at home we eat with forks. Unless it's fast food, finger food, burgers, chicken, then we use our hands. So definitely a new concept, but guys, please note, hand washing is definitely a stronger part of their culture because they use their hands to eat a lot. So don't worry about the hygiene of it. Hands are always washed before eating.
The West Africans go a step further and say they don't use their left hands to eat. They only eat with their they only eat with their right hands. Sorry.
But guys, yeah, it is good.
And if you ever see anyone finishing Gango, yeah, those people are greedy.
It's meant to be shared, right?
Yes.
Yeah, like those guys.
Yeah, like that. How's it?
It's good.
Good.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye. Thanks guys for coming along with us and trying Gango. We highly recommend that the next time you're in Zimbabwe or whenever you visit Zimbabwe, you go ahead, find a Gango spot and try it out.